Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of production cost here. Now, the concept of production is basically what we are going to discuss right now. Let's go to the theory part. Let's jump onto it. Now, what exactly concept of production means? To understand the production theory, various concepts needs to be introduced. These include, first, total product. It refers to the total amount of goods and services produced by a manufacturer within given amount of inputs. So if you have restricted amount of inputs, how many products have been produced using this restricted amount refers to the total products here. Next is marginal product. It refers to the additional of the total product resulting from the employment of additional units of variable factor. So the additional unit that is created after the total products is known as a marginal product here, with the usage of the additional factors of production that we have used here. In other words, it represents the successive increase in the total output due to the additional units of variable factor. So if 100 units have been already produced, so basically if 100 units have been already produced and you have produced one more unit using the additional factors of production, total production will increase from 100 to 101. This will be called as marginal product here. Symbolically, it is referred as marginal production is equal to total production minus total production n minus 1. So if it's 100, this will be 100 minus 1. So this will be 100 minus 99, that is 1. This is what the basic thing requires. Now, MNP or rather MP refers to marginal production of nth unit, TP refers to the total productivity, and TPn minus 1 refers to total output produced by n minus 1 unit of factor. Or this can be also mentioned as marginal productivity is equal to change in total products upon change in variable inputs. Now the next is average product. Average product of a factor is the total output produced per unit of the factor employed. It can be obtained by dividing the total output by the total units. So total output, this if you divide it by total units, this will give you average product. So this thing can be derived using this formula. So total output divided by total units, that will give you the average product here, or rather average output. Now average product is equal to total product upon inputs of variable factors. So total unit refers to inputs of variable factors. So whatever inputs you have applied, that is the denominator part, and numerator part will be the total product here. So these are the basic concepts that you have to understand whenever you have to go ahead and refer for production concepts. So this is all for the video that we have right now. Thank you.